You need to go see a doctor or something? You good?
What do you mean, man?
You alright?
I'm fine. I would like to refuse.
Oh, you want to refuse? I don't care.
Yeah, my Fourth Amendment, that's why.
What?
My Fourth Amendment. I have Fourth Amendment right on reasonable searches, so I don't want to get my name.
Yeah, but that's not your Fourth Amendment.
It is, sir.
No, you gotta go back to school.
You want to get my name, right?
Hey everybody, welcome back to the San Joaquin Podcast channel. This is Nick from San Joaquin Audits filling in today. Today's video is an ID refusal and it comes to you from the channel Patriot Watch. Now Patriot Watch is a new channel, so I recommend go subscribing. He's got two really great videos on his channel, so I recommend checking them out as well. If you do happen to check out his channel, let him know San Joaquin sent you, and let's hop right into the video.
Yeah. So I found it by over there, 59th Avenue. I'm recording you, by the way. So, what's your name, badge number, one time?
What? You found a phone. What are you making a big deal of this? Give me the phone. I'll take it.
Okay.
So you
Great.
found this phone. Where did you find it?
59th Avenue over there. Right over there. It's missing. It's missing.
What?
It's missing.
What's missing?
The phone, sir.
From who?
I don't know. But it's a missing phone. That's all I'm saying.
You need to go see a doctor or something? You good?
What do you mean, man?
You alright?
I'm fine.
You look
What are you
all
talking
over the
about?
place.
What are you talking about, man? I'm good. I'm fine.
Okay, so you found it on,
Yes,
on
it's
the
missing.
sidewalk?
It's missing, yes.
Okay. That's it?
Yeah. What's wrong? No, I'm good, bro. I don't need no medication.
Alright. I need your name, because you found the phone.
I just gave it.
What?
I just gave it to you. That's it. You guys supposed to see who the person is.
I can't understand one word you're saying.
You need my name?
Yeah, you're the finder of the phone.
But what? I would like to refuse.
Oh, you want to refuse? I don't care.
Yeah, my Fourth Amendment. That's why.
What?
My Fourth Amendment. I have Fourth Amendment right on reasonable searches, so I don't want to get my name.
That has nothing to do with Fourth Amendment.
That's unreasonable searches.
Yeah, but I'm not.
My name is personal.
I'm not. Yeah, but that's not your Fourth Amendment.
It is, sir.
No, you gotta go back to school.
You want to get my name, right?
I asked you for your name.
Yeah, but I don't want to give it. Do you respect that? Okay.
That's not Fourth Amendment.
Okay.
Right?
It is Fourth Amendment on reasonable searches.
I'm not searching you.
Yeah, but you're trying to get my name. I'm not telling you. I don't want to get my name.
Searches and seizures has nothing to do with your name.
Well, that's my Fourth Amendment right not to give you my name. Yes, exactly. Yes, sir. I'm not trying to be disrespectful, but I don't know what you're trying to do, sir.
I'm just trying to give you an education lesson. That has nothing to do with Fourth
Well, it does have to do. It does have to do with Fourth Amendment.
School?
It does have to. I don't answer questions.
Okay.
Thank you. Please give it back to the person, sir. He said that's not the Fourth Amendment. Thank you, sir. 109 Precinct. Bye-bye.
Alright, so you should all know the Fourth Amendment by now, but if you don't, the Fourth Amendment is the right of the people to be secure in their houses, persons, papers, or effects against any unreasonable searches or seizures. So the specific instance does fall under the Fourth Amendment in the simple fact that the person recording the officer doesn't want to give up ID. It only becomes a Fourth Amendment violation if the officer unlawfully obtains that identification. So in this situation, the officer is wrong just for the simple fact that people giving up ID does fall under the Fourth Amendment. Now this officer didn't push the issue, and he did not violate any Fourth Amendment rights in this video. But if you are to turn in a phone and an officer does ask for your ID or your name and you don't give it up, and then they unlawfully detain you and obtain that ID, then that is a Fourth Amendment violation. It's always good to know the difference between the two. With that being said, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a thumbs up, and remember, go subscribe to Patriot Watch and let them know San Joaquin sent you.
San Joaquin. Gotta watch 'em. We know the way that you cop it. We don't give no option. Camera gon' shoot now.